pagal karine je meni jara tora sago nazara mate lage prema nazara
सेपटे हैंडशेक कला बेली खाली बाबा चार हिरोइन तमे तो खाली कन कन गोटे गोटे मु चाहिए मो हिरो पाई समस्त दी हाथ टेकी गोटे जोरदार जबरदस्त हो जाऊ तर कुछ कुछ या बालरे नन्नी छनी हे जीव मन आओ कुचिया बालरे नन्नी छनी हे जीव मन तर कुचिया बालरे नन्नी छनी
Hello, welcome back to my channel Kritika Entertainment. Today I will discuss string in shell script. Okay, it is not the string length functions and you will be use the null character, but here though it is a command based operating system, Ubuntu, Linux, Unix, so you have to know the commands how to use the length of the string. So what we'll do, you first here I will create one file cat greater than suppose suppose show file. Okay, so here I have entry the files. Suppose this is the look, suppose this is the high, this is the sea, this is the sky, all these things I have written. Okay, so after that then I will save this Control D. Suppose I want to know what is the size of the file, so what will you use? WC, okay, minus C, okay, then you will use the show. Okay, so that it will be display. Okay, 16 characters. That means the length of the file is 16 character. So same if you are entering any name, okay, in your variable, so how to count the number of characters? First I will show you. Suppose here write the gedit Okay, suppose I'll write the count character CHAR dot sh. Okay, it is the shell script program I'll write. So here suppose I'll be declare echo. Okay, enter your name. Okay, so here I'll be close it. I'll write read. Okay, suppose name. Suppose now I want to find how many characters have we entered. So to know it, you will be use the length is equal to what? Now it will be grave accent symbol. You will be write the echo. Okay, then here write $name. Okay, then use WC minus C grave accent. Then it will be displayed whether it is display or not. Echo the length of the string is okay, you will be write LEN. So you see it whether it is working or not. So here I will write bash echo enter name. Suppose here I have entered the Arun. Okay, so here I have not written the dollar pound, so it will display. So here always use the dollar to access the value. Okay, so here I have entered the Arun. Okay, so it is the length of the string is 0. So name is always started in C. First character is started from the 0, but here, okay, your shell script, your character started from the 1. So now I will be check how many characters, how many vowels are in my name. So it is very easy. So how to write this? So I find the length. So here you can write. Okay, here you can write. Okay, suppose I is equal to 1. Okay, while okay $I minus LT okay length. So then you will write do okay if you will give the if condition to check the vowels. So what to write? Now first you will extract one by one character. How to extract? You will write CH is equal to okay, you will use echo okay, and then you will write the $name. Okay, $name. Then you will be write okay, then you will be write WC caught command is used to caught the character. Minus C means okay character. Then position you will write $I means 1. $I here is the first character, so it will be extract the A. Okay, so I will close this. Suppose here I will want to print this. Okay, echo I will print $ch and then check if it is printing clear correctly. Then I can check whether it is vowel or it is a vowel or not. So here to count, okay, I will write count is equal to suppose 1. Okay, so here I will be suppose first do what will do? Will be suppose I will be increment part I will give here $I okay plus 1 okay, then I write the done. Okay, so here I will close this, quit this, then I will be check okay bash okay enter name Arun. So you can see one by one character extract and displayed. So now I can easily check that whether it is a vowel or consonant. So how will check? Here I can write if okay, then $ch equals to single quote A minus O or $CH equals to E. Okay, so here you will give the double quote. Okay, so you just see it. $C is equal to AE. Okay, or $CH equals to AEI, or $CH equals to AEIO, AEI equals to O, or minus O, $CH equals to AEIOU. Okay, U, then close the your is this. Okay, then you can write then. Okay, echo $CH is vowel, then you will write count is equal to EXPR $count plus 1. Okay, then what will do, I'll see one syntax here. Okay, then write the here F5 for close the if. So here it will give the space. So then I run this. Arun. Okay, so expected end of the, I think double quotation is the problem, line number 12 and 18. So line number 12 I will go. Okay, so here here double quote is not given. Okay, so wait, then again I will run it. Before that I will clear the screen. So I will write this. Okay, length of string 5, A is vowel, U is vowel, but I have not printed the total number of vowels are. So here you can write print echo total number of vowel $count. Okay, so better you will be write here clear, so that it will automatically clear the screen. Okay, so okay, then sorry, so here count will take the 0. Okay, if you found the character, then it will increment to 1. Okay, so I think this will be understood by you. If you are new to my channel, subscribe it. If you are already subscribed, then comment, like and share. Okay, bye, thank you.